Good morning. Good morning, aunties, uncles, friends, and allies. My name is 𝐑𝐞𝐬𝐿, and welcome to another episode of My API Live, where you'll receive accessible, pertinent information about health, mental health, safety concerns, and community events. For those of you new to this broadcast, the information presented in My API Live is particular to the Asian community, yet still relevant to the greater Austin communities as well. Today, we'll start with a mindfulness exercise to bring breath awareness to reduce stress, and we'll discuss what kinds of free events are happening for all ages at the Asian American Resource Center. Plus, get your COVID shots for free if you haven't done so already. As you know, our broadcast is available both on Austin Public's Facebook page and the new YouTube channel, which is much easier to access and share with your family and friends. Please save and subscribe on YouTube to the My API Live playlist to easily find the show in the future, and we'll drop the link in the comments. So before we begin our mindfulness exercise, I'd like to inform you of some changes that My API Live is undergoing. We are rebranding and to represent our focus for this broadcast, which is overall health and wellness. By the way, did you know that the API in My API Live also stands for Asian Pacific Islander? That's just a side fun fact. Our programming will stay the same, but with a new name and a new look. So stay tuned next month to see for yourself. As we think about our mental health, I'm constantly thinking about how some of us are living life day to day, and that it's hard to think about our mental health and ways to take care of ourselves when some of us are really struggling just to pay rent or even put food on the table. I speak from experience when I say that I completely understand that between getting the kids ready for school, working, doing household chores, and then picking up the kids again is very exhausting. These life circumstances don't leave a lot of time to relax or reflect on how our bodies are feeling today, or to even pay attention to our stress levels. And what does stress even look like or feel like? So today, let's just take a few steps back and bring us into a space to build awareness in a short amount of time. So let's start with the breath. You don't need any props. You don't need to go to the gym or even leave the house. Your breath goes wherever you go, so you can literally do this anywhere you are, whether you're waiting in line, you're on the bus, at work, in the bathroom. Let's just sit with what's showing up for us right now before we begin today's mindfulness exercise. As you sit with your emotions, thoughts, and your body, if anything comes up that feels unsettling or uncomfortable, please take care as you see fit. And if it means that you pause the following practice at any point, then please do so. You may sit, stand, or lie down for this quick mindfulness technique. You may close your eyes or turn your gaze downward. Try to make your spine straighter than it is right now, if your body allows it. Having a straight spine allows the breath to go deeper into your body and into your cells. We want to open and expand as we breathe in and relax the body as we breathe out. Keep the breath smooth, long, and slow. Now, let's breathe in slowly. And retain the breath for a count of 3, 2, 1. And now slowly breathe out through the nose. Let's do this 2 more times. Take a long, smooth breath in. Hold for 3, 2, 1, and exhale. Last round. Inhale. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Slowly open your eyes. And when you need some extra love, give yourself the gift of touch by simply crossing your arms across the chest with your hands. Starting at the shoulders, run your hands down your arms to your wrists, and then back again, back up to your elbows and to your shoulders and neck. Do this rubbing of the arms at least 3 times. Giving yourself a light hug because, well, you deserve it. You have just managed to bring your stress level down in just a matter of seconds, and you may experience more clarity, renewed energy, and a relaxed state of mind. So, thanks for joining me. Let's talk about spring break. Are you looking for some free things to do with your kiddos or seniors this spring break? Well, the Asian American Resource Center has some great events planned out for young ones and our beloved seniors. All you need to do is RSVP for a free ticket, which I'll give you that information in just a minute. Bring the little ones and listen to stories celebrating our Asian American heritage and families. On March 13th and the 15th, there will be special readings featuring local Asian American children's book authors. Each session will feature 2 books, 1 family-friendly craft activity, and the option to take family portraits. And if you attend all 3 or more sessions, you can get a fun bag of goodies on the last day of the series, which is March 16th. Storytime will take place during their senior program, so grandparents and guardians are encouraged to attend. The books and activities are suitable for ages 4 to 7, but it is open to all. You'll find this information on their website, and it'll be available in the comments as well. Here are some other kids' activities going on at AARC, or Asian American Resource Center. If you or a loved one is between the ages of 7 and 17, you like to dance and are interested in street dance, popping, and animation as an expression of life and culture, then Boombox Hero Hip Hop Foo Dance might be a fun program to attend. This takes place on Tuesdays, March 14th until April 4th from 3:30 p.m. till 5 p.m. Here, the students will learn the fundamentals of hip-hop dance and philosophy, and you must register to attend. Are your kids in the 3rd through 8th grade and want to learn how to cook? The program, Cooking Skills and World Cuisine, is for you. It'll take place every Thursday from March 23rd until May 25th, and that's from 4 p.m. until 5:30 p.m. Registration opens February 3rd and closes March 20th. For all of the different kids programs, you can register at austintexas.gov/parksonline, and the link is in the comments as well. So I know that some of you have been wondering about the senior programs at AARC, and they are excited to start offering limited wellness classes at the facility and continue virtual classes starting August 30th. To register, you can email them at aarc@austintexas.gov or contact them at 512-974-1700 for more information about both the children's and senior events. In the meantime, here are some events that are currently ongoing for our seniors at AARC. They have Tai Chi, Gentle Chair Yoga, Ping Pong, Senior Garden Group, Movement and Meditation. For our adults and seniors, Austin Community College is offering free ESL, English as a Second Language, courses to help non-native speakers learn basic English for college or the workplace, or simply to become more comfortable with everyday communication. These ESL classes take place on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. And you can check the ESL class schedule to view a variety of days and times. If you like books, the Hyphenated Book Club is back. Join fellow book lovers in the community to dive into works by authors in the Asian diaspora. All meetups are free and open to the public to attend. All of the sessions are hosted in person at the AARC. The next meetup is on March 21st, 6 p.m. until 7:30 p.m. Please do make use of these amazing free classes and programs offered at AARC. They will meet any of your language needs, so make sure to mention your language of preference when you speak to someone on the phone or if you visit in person. As we approach spring break and we now know how to deal with the new protocols around illness that the pandemic taught us, let's talk about where you can get your COVID shots and boosters. In our Austin areas, where we currently have very low cases. However, for those who may be traveling or visiting big groups of people, please listen to these upcoming events where you can get it for free. And you never know, you may also walk out with a free gift card as well. These will also be listed in the comments section with the address. Tuesday, March 21st, you can go to Buen Samaritano Vaccine Event, and this is only for adults who are 19 years of age and older. And they're open from 10 a.m. until 12 p.m. Wednesday, March 22nd, at Navarro Early College High School, we'll have a vaccine clinic from 4 p.m. until 7 p.m. And lastly, March 27th, Austin Voices Vaccination Event is taking place at Garcia from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. My hope for everyone today and for this month is that you find a way to make space and time to care for yourself and to always go back to your breath anytime you feel stressed or anxious. This is the easiest way to regulate ourselves and is the only thing we can voluntarily control if we pay attention. I also hope that the list of events presented here brings some joy to children, adults, and seniors alike. There's a lot of resources out there, and I hope this list meets your needs in some way. Join us again next month on our new Awesome Public Health YouTube channel on April 14th at 10 a.m. Each video is available after it airs and is now also available in Mandarin, Burmese, and Vietnamese. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be safe, be well, and be kind to one another.